Video game addiction, also known as gaming disorder or internet gaming disorder, is generally defined as the problematic, compulsive use of video games that results in significant impairment to an individual's ability to function in various life domains over a prolonged period of time. Over 2 billion people play video games worldwide, and the market for video games is on track to become a 90 billion industry in America by 2020. The average gamer plays for about 6 hours every week. For most players of all age, playing video games is fun, pastime, a way to relax, connect with friends, and enjoy a challenge. Unfortunately, for some players, a video game hobby can escalate into an addictive disorder which takes over their lives. In recent years, the smartphone has surpassed the computer and the console as the most common gaming device, with video games now available on apps and social media. Furthermore, massively multiplayer online role-playing games continue to be immensely popular. Everyday games like League of Legends, World of Warcraft, Fortnite, Final Fantasy, and The Elder Scrolls Online draw millions of players into their virtual worlds. Video games have captured the imagination of Americans since the 1970s, with the introduction of very simple games. Although the graphic features of these basic programs were primitive compared to today's complex, multi-faceted games, many children, teens, and adults quickly became enthralled with this new pastime. Many people, including parents, believe that video games expand the imagination, give children the opportunity to work collaboratively, and sharpen cognitive skills. Yet, when young people spend most of their time playing video games at the expense of schoolwork, physical exercise, family events, or social activities, the benefits of gaming seem less certain. Video game addiction is compulsive or uncontrolled use of video games in a way that causes problems in other areas of the person's life. Video game addiction has been an increasing concern for parents as video games have become more commonplace and are often targeted at children. Addiction are similar to other addictions in terms of the amount of time spent playing, the strong emotional attachment to the activity, and the appearance of social difficulties experienced by gaming addicts. As well as addiction, the following harmful effects have been found to be related to video game use: increase aggressive thoughts and aggressive behaviors, particularly in children under age 10. Increased risk of flight-induced seizures, musculoskeletal disorders of the upper extremities, and increased metabolic rate, reduced prosocial behaviors in social interaction. The 5 negative effects of video games. Dopamine addiction. A neurotransmitter called dopamine, which regulates the feeling of pleasure from the video games. When dopamine activity happens in the nucleus accumbens, the pleasure center of your brain, you feel joy. When you play video games, your brain releases a constant dopamine supply with occasional random bursts. The second, social disconnection, is a real problem in the gaming community. Out of all negative effects of video games, this one is touted a lot. Though we play multiplayer games, we rarely end up connecting with the people in our games. Third, relationship issue resulting from playing too many video games is a common issue among gamers and their families. Relationship need to regular nurturing for them to grow or even maintain. However, when a person spends most of their time playing video games, there is almost no time left in the day to talk to friends and family, let alone pursue romantic relationship. Fourth, toxic environments. In our society, men are culturally only allowed to express one negative emotion, anger. If they express other negative emotion, such as shame or fear, they are seen as weak or overly sensitive. That makes men more susceptible to developing alexithymia, especially if they are addicted to video games. Fifth, escapism and being stuck in life. We know that video games provide a safe space for people to escape to when they do not feel equipped to deal with the problems in their life. However, sometimes this can become problematic. If video games prevent you from finding ways to deal with your issues, then that is an issue. That's all. Thank you and stay safe.